CloudSuite Field Service is a cloud-based, all-in-one ERP solution that offers advanced service-focused functionality along with company-wide equipment database that is updated in real time. Get a 360-degree view of customer interactions, from quotes, inquiries, and complaints to receipts for equipment that has been purchased, rented, or repaired. Highly interactive scheduling boards support appointment, queue, and project-based scheduling. You can dispatch technicians based on how their skills, coverage area, and true stock inventory availability align with the needs of the job. The fully integrated native mobile application supports common field service functions, such as appointment visibility, in-field repairs and inspections, time card reviews, and work order sign-offs. Inventory planning features improve cash flow by generating financial transactions that are compiled into comprehensive reports. Built-in industry-specific KPIs include all the best practice metrics that a service company needs to monitor its performance. Extensibility capabilities can help you address your unique business needs without modifying the core solution's source code. Modify screens and reports by adding fields, tables, and new business logic. A flexible, scalable, adaptable, and open technology foundation provides seamless integration between systems and a unified user experience across all applications. With CloudSuite Field Service, you get the software capabilities of a world-class service organization and the tools you need to take a strategic approach to parts availability, workforce readiness, scheduling optimization, sales opportunities, and so much more.